In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Jira ticket. Whether you're new to Jira or a seasoned user, closing tickets efficiently is an essential part of managing tasks and projects. So let's get started and ensure your workflow continues smoothly. First, you'll need to navigate to the Jira platform. Make sure you're logged into your workspace, ready to dive into your tasks. Once there, look to the left side of your screen. You'll find the Spaces or Projects section. Go ahead and click on that. This action takes you deeper into your specific work environment where all the tasks associated with your project are housed. Now that you're in the right space, you'll need to head to the board that contains the ticket you want to close. The board is essentially a visual representation of your project's workflow, so it's crucial to know where you're going. If you don't regularly navigate Jira boards, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. Each board is typically divided into columns that represent different stages of your project. Next, it's time to locate the specific issue or ticket you need to address. Search through the board to identify the ticket you want to close. Once found, click on it to bring up its detailed view. Checking the details will help ensure that all aspects of the task have been addressed before closure. In the detailed view of the ticket, look toward the right side of the screen where you'll find its current status. This indicator is key, as it will show you whether the ticket is open, in progress, or awaiting completion. To proceed, you'll need to change the status. Locate the Resolved option and click on it. This action marks the ticket as completed within your team's workflow, a crucial step in keeping projects moving forward efficiently. There is also an alternative path to manage your tickets if you prefer using the backlog. Navigate back to the main board view and find the Backlog tab. Click on it, which will take you to a list of all the tasks planned for future sprints or milestones. Once there, locate the sprint associated with your ticket. You'll want to make sure all tasks within that sprint are addressed accordingly. Finally, to wrap things up, click on Complete Sprint. This action signals that all tasks within that sprint, including your ticket, have been resolved. It's a powerful way to signify that a batch of tasks has been successfully managed, freeing your team to focus on future objectives. And there you have it, a straightforward process to close a Jira ticket, ensuring your project management in Jira remains effective and orderly. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips on mastering project management tools.